Santana Park. And the rough. Aerial lead is taken by Love or Money from the outside. Lim Shoti by the rail in second. Hoy Tamana, Lady Kugat, and Open Mind. And the mid-back stretch still Love or Money by 3.5 lengths, followed by Lim Shoti in second. And moving up on the inside is Lady Kugat. Nearing the far turn, it is still Love or Money, entering now by 5 lengths, followed by Lim Shoti in second, Lady Kugat, Hoy Tamana, and Open Mind. Rounding the far turn, it is still Love or Money by 6.5 lengths, followed by Lim Shoti in second, and Lady Kugat, Hoy Tamana, and Open Mind. At the top of the stretch, it is still Love or Money in the lead by 4.5 lengths, followed by Lim Shoti in second, Lady Kugat, Hoy Tamana, and Open Mind. Into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line, it is still Love or Money, followed by Lim Shoti on the outside and Lady Kugat. But it's still Love or Money, Lim Shoti moving up on the outside, Lady Kugat, Open Mind. And finally, it's Love or Money, Lady Kugat, Lim Shoti, Open Mind, and Hoy Tamana.
Okay. As expected,